originated from the waves of 3D technology in 2015. With 5 years, we have striven for the path of our choice and found our way to where we are now. A journey of 1,000 miles would have to begin with step 1. It has been a long way, from the first line of codes to the very first 3D printer mega. There were times of darkness. There were times of being questioned. Floating in the sea of uncertainties has never been easy. But nothing can stop us from sailing forward. We saw the beauty of your imagination. We saw the eager in your eyes to create. We saw your frustration of not knowing how, and the disappointment of your creativity going in vain. We felt it all, and felt from deep down your keenness and ambition to make things happen. If we say pursuing a vision is like climbing up to a mountain of unknown, how far is it ahead? Nobody knows. Our vision is to empower creativity from your daily life and break the hurdles between technology and art. Our mission is to bring inspiration to your tabletop and let creation be fingertips away. What you need is what we pursue. Who am I? I am Anycubic 3D. I am here for your freedom to make. Time goes by. The path that began from a 40 square meter office room 5 years ago will go to where our vision lands. Anycubic will strive to extend this journey, along with your expectation and dreams, to the point where freedom to make becomes a reality.